Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So first let's open Google Play Store and try finding the Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no real game right here. So to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, reveal family, parental controls, and now either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter a PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now if we try to find the game again, it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.